on the street, cause it's the top of part of the week. Crank up the beat and on the street, cause it's the top of part of the week.
Hey, it's Sanjay, your friendly parts dealer over here at Trev Deeley Motorcycles. So I got something that would work really well with your bike. We got some cleaning supplies for you. So first off, I like to use the Bright engine detailer, brightener, and it'll help make your engine, like it'll clean up all the muck and dirt. It's really, really great to make your engine look cleaner and newer almost. It brings it out a little bit, brings out that wrinkled black and makes it look more vibrant, more saturated with a little bit of color. And it doesn't look like your bike has been sitting and collecting dust. So this is a really great product to bring your bike back to what it probably looked like in a showcase or in a showroom. So this is a really great product. Second product I really like is the wheel and tire cleaner. This is really, really important if you have especially chrome wheels, but you know, if you have black rims too, that's fine. But these are great to make sure that your tires are all clean and you have your spokes all clean and just tires just overall just, you know, beautiful. And one most important item that is great for washing your bike is Harley-Davidson Sun Wash soap. All you need to do is just put this in a little bucket of water and just put this in and mix it, dilute it a little bit, and clean your bike. And you'll be using this mitt to help clean with that. So this actually, you know, scratch-free. It doesn't, you don't have to worry, it won't damage your paint or anything like that. But this mitten will definitely help like clean your bike, get into the nooks and crannies where it's really difficult, and it creates a really, it's kind of fun doing it. I don't know, like I like cleaning my bike using the mitt. It's kind of silly, kind of goofy, but also really fun. And then another important cleaner is the bug remover. So just like me, you know, I go on long rides. Sometimes you go through areas where there's tons of bugs, from wasps to gnats to anything. This will do the trick in getting rid of them. So it'll make your bike looking really, really clean and nice. And last but not least, this is detailed microfiber towels, really good for the final touches on your bike. You want to make sure you get everything. This is a great detailer to do that with. And that's it. So come on down to Trev Deeley and come see us at the parts counter. Thank you.
Raise your glasses.
I didn't put it down here.
Let the laughter fill the street. 'Cause nothing beats that feeling. This is part of the week.